Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll show you how to use AutoText in Microsoft Word, a very powerful trick in order to type faster and more efficiently. So let's just get started. Start by opening up the Microsoft Word. For that, go ahead and type in Microsoft Word and go ahead and open it up. And once you open up your Microsoft Word, the application, let me just go ahead and search for it. This one right here. So once you open it up, you need to go ahead and start opening up a document where you want to auto text. So I'm just going to use a blank document for now. You can just go ahead and open the one that you already have. So what you can do is basically go ahead and here type the sentence, phrase, or paragraph that you want to reuse. For example, thank you for your time and support. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in that. And once you type in there, you will be finding your word here that you may want to go ahead and refresh. So you can select that text right there with your mouse. And once you do so, you can go over to the Insert tab in the top of your menu and you can look out for the option of Quick Parts, Auto Text, and Save it to your gallery. So go ahead and look out for this option of Quick Parts, this one right here. And once you select this option, select the option of Auto Text. And once you select the auto text option, you just need to go ahead and select the option to save selection to your auto text gallery. So select this option right here. After that, here a window will appear. You can give your auto text entry name like thanks message. So I'm just going to type in thanks message for this. And once you do so, you can go ahead and click on OK to save it up. And there you go. Now, whenever you want to insert it, you just need to go ahead and type the name of your auto text like thanks message. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in thanks message and hit enter. And when you do, the auto text that you built, this one right here, you just need to go ahead and enter it up. And when you do, you will be getting the particular message available here, which is this one right here. And there you go. So you can just go over and do so. You can press F3 instantly. That will replace it with your saved text. You can just go over and follow that process for that. And you can even use auto text for signatures, common replies, headers, or footers, a company info, or disclaimers. But this is how you basically use auto text in Microsoft Word. It is a simple trick that can save you hours of typing every week. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.